Giveaway, giveaway, giveaway. Yes, I'm giving away free stuff. I can't wait for you to get this. Man, free stuff. Free stuff for you. Free stuff for you. Get it? Hey everybody, Jerome, B.F.A.M cooking. You know what this is. Just another non-cooking video. Reason why I've been doing a lot of these lately is because, hey, the kitchen can be daunting. And in this particular case, it's after Thanksgiving, and I am tired of the kitchen. Oh my God, I hope you guys all had a great Thanksgiving. But what I'm trying to do is something special for you. It's the end of the year. I haven't really been on this that much this year, really focused on doing some other things. But I will be back this coming year. So just to keep you primed and ready to go, I want to offer you guys an opportunity to get something or get you in the holiday spirit. That's right, I'm doing a giveaway. I know. But I have so much stuff that I intended on doing multiples of these this year. I didn't do it. So now I'm going to do it. Let me start with so many items of which I'd like to give away. We have a cookbook. Oh my God, you can't see if I do this. It is a beautiful cookbook. And I don't know why it would be greening out on me. I guess I'll have to take a photo of these books because I guess they're all going to disappear. I have some great cookbooks by some great authors, great chefs, all of which happen to be African American. Anyway, we're going to be giving away 4 very current books, right? They came out within this year, last year, the latest, right? And we have the first one that's going to be given away is The Black Power Kitchen. It's by the Ghetto Gastronomy. It's a group of people who got together and wrote a cookbook together. Outstanding. It's an opportunity for you to get new recipes in your repertoire, and I can't wait for you to see this one. Let's see if that one even comes up. It's a nice hardcover book. All these books are signed by their author. There you go. You can see that one. And Watermelons in Redbird by Nicole Taylor. Nah, the red just doesn't, I don't know why it doesn't let me. Ooh, there's the top. Great. And of course, you can't do it right unless you have somebody in your life that has a great kitchen, and you may have seen him on TV. Marcus Samuelsson, The Rise. And no way. I'm gonna have to put these things in some other way. One of our favorite in our family happens to be Carla Hall. My wife and I attended an event with her this year at Food and Wine, and she gave away a bunch of cookbooks along with it. So we have multiples. I really don't need extra books. I have all of her other books. This one just happened to be one we didn't have because it was relatively new. Carla Hall, Soul Food. There we go. And Soul Food and Everyday and Celebration, which is great. She made this black eyed pea hummus, which was phenomenal, and the recipe's in the book. You should check that out. Those are the books that I'm giving away. Now I have other items of which I'm also giving away. Now this is an opportunity for several people to get something special by the end of this year. So I have a couple of chef's knives that need to go. And if you can see that, ooh, that's pretty nice. These are this one happens to be from Meeson, and I have a pot from Made In. It's a 2-quart sauce pot for those of you who like to make sauces or need a really good, affordable pot. And when I say affordable, it's just near or around $100, right? So this is a lot of stuff. This is maybe $600, $700 worth of stuff. right? I hope that you will enjoy this. So let me give you the starter kit on this. It happens to be what the rules and regulations are. How can you win? Well, let me tell you. First off, I'm going to need you to write a comment in this video only, at least. No, does that make sense? Yeah, write a comment in this video because I got to track it, right? So I know it's all in one location. And I'm going to pick someone randomly from the comments, or several someones, until all the prizes are gone. How long will the prizes and giveaway last? Now, I need you to do this by the end of the year. So from December, the contest is going to run from December 1 to the end of the month, the 31st, right? On New Year's Day, I will be picking, right? You have to have written a comment on this video by New Year's Day of this coming year, 2023. Now, I'll select randomly whatever number of prizes I have here for the winners, right? And I'll send them out in a couple of years, so you'll have a happy holiday, at least another prize coming to you. That's really great. And why am I doing this? The biggest thing is to thank all the people who stuck with me, especially this year. It's been really complicated. I had COVID again, and starting a new position. So we all have been crazed this year. The rules, I have to say specifically, I am responsible for shipping these out to you. It has nothing to do with YouTube, with the exception of on my platform is on YouTube. So with that exception of me actually being on YouTube, you must be a subscriber to comment on my video. So you must subscribe to my channel. So you should like, subscribe, share, at least this video, and one other one would be fantastic. Find another video, give me a comment, and just subscribe on there, and I will be verifying all this stuff. I know it's extra work for me, but I'm going to find the right people, and then I'm going to validate it, making sure that you are a winner. How will that be happening? Let me tell you. I'm going to send you a special code after you email me, right? So you'll email me, that you've been validated as the winner. I'll send you a code. You'll have to edit your comment, the one that you had in this video, and then I'll get your contact information from email. What am I going to do with your information? Only to contact you. I don't have time for anything else. I can't be stalking you, and I got no way of selling information, nor do I want to. I think that's just a gigantic nuisance. But I can't wait for my subscribers to actually hit me up. If there's anything you'd like to say that, about the show, like you'd like me to do this coming year, some extra special effect, something or other. No, I don't. Is there something you want me to cook for you or show you how to cook? That would be great. I know last time I still haven't done much Indian food, and that was also asked for, but I'm just now catching up with Indian cuisine. My biggest focus is I really wanted to do this year, coming in 2023, some Spanish food or Mexican food. I'm trying to schedule a vacation to go to a cooking class and just on a pseudo. Authentic Mexican food is what I really want to learn how to do. Learn how to make all the different things. Right? That's what it is. So this is a giveaway. Act now. Get from the 1st to the 31st. Comment, like, subscribe, and share, of course. And you too could be a winner of one of these fantastic cookbooks from one of these authors. I can't wait for you to get these books. At least maybe, you'll find something new that would be exciting to you, and you can add to your family's repertoire. Put it in the mix. I mean, that one from Carla, I really must say was really, really unique. I don't know how to make the little cones that she served it in, but for hummus goes, I mean, it's hummus. It was delicious, and I just couldn't stop eating it. But anyway, Marco Samuelson, fried chicken was good. The ghetto gastronomy people, they have a chicken and waffle spot, which is different types of waffles. And of course, the celebration of Juneteenth is happening. So hopefully we'll get the book out to you before Juneteenth. They have some drinks in there, which are pretty cool. And, they're pretty good. But anyway, hey, B.F.A.M Cooking. Like, subscribe, share. Talk to you guys later. Thanks for subscribing.